The non-dualistic Gnosticism of Eugnostos the Blessed, to those who are his. Rejoice in this that you know. Greetings. The message attributed to Eugnostos presents a profound vision of the divine order without the dualism often found in later Gnostic texts. There is no mention of Yaldabaoth as a rebellious or ignorant creator, nor is there a fall narrative associated with Sophia. Instead, this vision emphasizes unity, harmony, and divine self-generation across the full range of being. From the beginning, the treatise insists on the futility of human speculation about the divine nature. Despite their efforts, all people from the foundation of the world until now are described as dust. Philosophers have posited that the cosmos was ordered by self-causation, providence, or fate, yet none of these are true. These systems are declared empty, foolish, and undiscerning, for whatever is from itself is an empty life. It is self-made. Providence is foolish. Fate is an undiscerning thing. The text proclaims that only one who transcends these limited views and confesses the God of truth through a higher voice becomes immortal, existing amidst mortal beings with divine understanding. The central figure of this theology is the one who is, whose nature is beyond comprehension, yet not abstract. This being is not simply mind, nor an impersonal force. Despite being ineffable, the one who is has an appearance, though it surpasses anything in the created realm. The one who is has its own appearance, not like what we have received and seen, but an alien appearance that surpasses everything and is superior to everything in the universe. The one is described in paradoxical terms: immortal, eternal, without birth or beginning, without a name or human form, yet possessing a unique appearance. This confirms the one's real perceptible form, not an abstract principle. He is unknowable, while he nonetheless knows himself. He is perfect, having no defect. He is called Father of the universe. All aspects of existence, from thought to power, are held within this one, who encompasses the totalities of the totalities. The aeons, divine emanations, are revealed in order and harmony, not through rupture or fall. All that is created from imperishableness remains imperishable. Those who misunderstood this truth went astray, not because of deception by a false creator, but due to ignorance of this distinction. Eugnostos introduces multiple divine levels, not as a hierarchy of conflict, but as extensions of the one source. The unbegotten one, also called the forefather, reveals himself through reflection, appearing in the likeness of self-father and confronter. From this arises a great multitude. He revealed many confronting, self-begotten ones, equal in age and power, being in glory and without number, who are called the generation over whom there is no kingdom among the kingdoms that exist. Sophia, far from being a fallen aeon, is portrayed as integral to divine generativity and wisdom. She is the all-wise begettress, united with the immortal androgynous man. His male name is Begotten, Perfect Mind, and his female name is all-wise begettress Sophia. It is also said that she resembles her brother and her consort. This divine couple, perfect mind and all-wise Sophia, represent uncontested truth, contrasted with the realm below where truth is challenged. They do not fall. They reveal the structure of the divine order and bring forth new emanations. From their union comes the first begotten Son of God, whose female aspect is also Sophia, now called Mother of the Universe. There is no rupture or flaw in these emanations. The sequence flows harmoniously from mind to thought, from thought to teaching, then to counsel, power, and eventually to creation. This is the unfolding of the divine pattern in multiples of 10, expressed symbolically. The monad is first, the dyad follows it, and the triad up to the tenths. Now the tenths rule the hundredths rule the thousands rule the 10,000s. This is the pattern among the immortals. The text portrays the cosmos as a reflection of divine archetypes. Time, the year, and the months mirror the structure of the aeons, each corresponding to emanations of divine power. Every moment and motion of creation is integrated into the harmony of the whole. In this vision, the aeons are not divided by spiritual versus material realms, but organized in joyful cooperation. The self-perfected begetter and Sophia bring forth androgynous beings, male and female aspects unified. These pairs, such as all-wise Sophia, first begettress Sophia, and pistis Sophia, reveal the divine fullness without opposition or fall. The pattern continues with the manifestation of 72 powers, each revealing 5 more, totaling 360 powers. The unfolding of the aeons is governed by unity and will. The union of them all is the will. This theology sees the world not as a mistake, but as a patterned reflection of divine thought. There is no division between spirit and matter, no antagonism between Sophia and the divine source, no Yaldabaoth usurping the pleroma. Everything proceeds according to divine order. In Eugnostos the Blessed, the Gnostic worldview is one of harmony, emanation, and non-dualism. The one who is has a true appearance and is the source of all forms. Sophia is honored, not blamed. Creation is not corrupted, but ordered. This is a Gnosticism without rebellion, without fall, without division. It is a testament to a cosmic unity where joy, wisdom, and knowledge eternally flourish.